In general, hollow block is a type of concrete block used for building internal and external walls. Hollow concrete block saves time in building walls due to its large dimensions. Due to the load carrying capacity, the hollow block is playing an important role in the construction industry. There are different types of hollow concrete blocks. Hollow concrete blocks are available in different types according to their shape, needs and design, such as concrete structure blocks, lintel blocks, partition concrete blocks, concrete pillar blocks, corner concrete blocks, jam concrete blocks, bullnose concrete block, frog brick blocks. In this video, we'll discuss hollow concrete blocks. Standard hollow concrete blocks are available in full size as well as half size. Full-sized blocks are rectangular and have 2 cores, while half-sized blocks are cubical and contain 1 core. In this video, this hollow concrete block size is 390, 190, 190 mm. Hollow concrete blocks are used in all type of masonry construction, such as exterior load-bearing walls, interior load-bearing walls, curtain walls, partition wall and panel walls, backing from brick, stone, and other facing, fireproofing over a structural member, fire-safe walls around stairwells, elevators, piers, column and retaining walls, etc. Boundary fences.
The simplest and most affordable method of insulating the interior of a block wall is to install rigid foam board insulation. Available in large 3x5 or 4x8 sizes, the panels are lightweight and held in place with special foam-safe glue.
You may see insulating concrete block walls referred to as concrete block walls, cement block walls, or cinder blocks. They are quite common as they allow the construction of homes to be completed relatively quickly. Their main caveat is that they are porous, which means that they let air in, plus they are open on the inside. If you decide to use these blocks to build a home, you might have to insulate it, as the temperatures might never get comfortable enough. If you want a home to remain at acceptable temperatures throughout the year by blocking the airflow through the concrete blocks, you have to insulate the walls. Fortunately, there are lots of different ways you can do this. In this SDS GILDAN Kohinoor project, about 1.5 million hollow block will insulate. Naif Engineering Builders Ltd has been working very successfully with their own engineer and labor very efficiently.